Good morning friends. My name is Anaga Anand Pandey and I am a second year student of MCom from GS College of Commerce Wardha, and I am here to share my journey of English language. Friends, basically I am from a very small village named Masur, and I have completed my 10th standard from the same village, and that too from a typical Marathi medium school. My school was so typical that even my science and maths was in Marathi language. The only thing that I had on the name of English was the English language subject. I was a pretty active student since my childhood. I used to participate in every competition that comes to my way, like speech, drama, dance and everything. But my work was always in Hindi or Marathi. If you all are thinking that I was this confident and comfortable with English, then my answer is no. Before, when I got the opportunity to speak in English, I got so scared that I froze on stage and someone had to come on stage, hold my hand and get me off the stage. After that day, I never tried to speak in English. Anyways, time just passed. I cleared my 10th, took admission in GS College, and this time I take admission in English medium only. And I worked super hard on my English, so much so that my written English became pretty decent. Now, I was achieving a lot of things in my life, like I was getting awards, my journals and my poems were publishing in my college magazine. But I was always feeling that gap, that emptiness, that I can't communicate in English. And because of this reason, I was losing many opportunities, and the terrible experience that I had was one of my friends asked me to write a speech for one competition, and in that competition she won the first prize and I came on the second rank. On that day I went home hopelessly, sitting on my bed and thinking what has went wrong. In my life I had tried to learn English so many times. I tried books, I tried YouTube, I even tried online classes, but nothing worked. Then my childhood friend, she told me we should try once again. I asked her what should we try. She said let's just join some speaking classes. On that day she really convinced me to do so. Then we found Persistent online. We checked the reviews, we asked some of our teachers and friends, and all said you should try it. Then, and I still remember the day when I came into these classes and met Apsar sir. And for the first time, on that day I was pretty overconfident about my grammar. But when sir asked me some question, I still remember I could answer only 3. Then class started, and it all started with basic things like grammar structure, sentence formation, tenses, model auxiliary. But it took turn when sir started to take speeches, debate and GD and other activities. And yes, class do include tests, and I am very proud to tell all of you that in the grammar test I scored the perfect score, that is 50 out of 50. See, you can consider the journey of Persistent as marathon. Like marathon, it is a long journey, right? And like marathon, you have to overcome any odd that comes to your way. You have to push yourself harder and harder. But you know what is the best part? You got the best coach in the world, that is Apsar sir. Then sir is very cool, he is very kind, he is very sweet. But if you will not complete the task, you will see the exact opposite side of him. Then what will be my suggestions? My suggestions will be that you have to work hard, you have to be regular in the class, you have to listen sir, you have to follow him blindly. In the last, what I want to say, there is a very famous saying that says, you can find the ray of hope or ray of light in the every darkest part of your life, right? But I want to add something to it. You have to turn on that light to make the whole room bright. To me, sir was not just that ray, he was that switch through which I have enlightened my entire life, right? So thank you so much sir for this, and to the class and everyone who is watching this video. If a girl like me who was not even able to speak a single word on the stage, right, is delivering a speech in front of you all, if I can do it, you can do it too. Thank you so much.